How to redeem Fred Meyer gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Fred Meyer gift card. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Now scroll down and you'll find the link over here. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page. At the top you can see different websites which also include Fred Meyer. So in this section, you can simply enter the number of your gift card. In the UFC number, enter the number of your gift card and then enter the barcode number. Once you have entered, tap on Add Card. Once you click on Add Card, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Fred Meyer gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.